I'm a bad bitch. You can't kill me. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me. What's up? So today I have my friend Sarah.
Hello.
And she's going to be doing my makeup. And she knows nothing about makeup. So this will be fun.
Yeah, I know a little bit. Like, my makeup knowledge is, like, limited to, like, the 3 James Charles videos that I've seen before.
Hi, sisters. Hi, sisters. Hi, sisters.
So, and I don't even watch the full thing because I watch, like, the funny ones. So, this is the look that I'm going for. I hope you didn't just see that. I hope
I didn't.
This focuses.
Just let me know, like...
We'll just, like, we'll put a picture up or something, you know?
Let me know also if you're, like, missing something that you need.
Okay.
That you're like, oh, I don't have this, because then I can...
I'm not gonna know the name of it. But
okay.
We try. Let's try this. I guess we start. Okay, primer is the first thing that we put on, but you don't believe in primer.
I mean, but I have some.
Right.
So like.
Okay. I don't. Primer. Wow. Instant retouch primer. I don't know what that means, but we're gonna start with this.
Okay.
Because I use my hands for everything. I don't own any of that stuff. I'll just go like this to my face and it's done. So.
Do whatever you think feels right. I don't mind if you put your hands on my face.
Okay,
like,
cool. That's
I don't care.
I don't know how much
I'm a little acne ridden, so sorry.
That's okay. Alright, we did that. So for me, I have to use this like green stuff because it brings the redness out. It balances it because the like color. You're not very red.
Yeah.
Okay, well, must be nice. I guess Rihanna's the best compared to...
Wow.
You
heard it here first.
Okay, so we're gonna stick with Rihanna because that's what we used for concealer, so...
Fun.
This one, I think you use this thing, though. Is this so wrong?
Just try your best.
Okay,
just try your best.
We're gonna put it on your face first.
Okay. Okay.
Which, I'm not sure if I'm doing that right, but...
No judgment here.
I'm not even sure if foundation's the next step, but... I think I need more.
I usually use about 4 pumps on my face.
Oh shit, wow.
But that's just because, like...
Oh, sorry, you cuss on your channel, right?
Yes,
okay,
I do.
Cool.
We are not family friendly.
Cool.
But if I ever start getting monetized, then I'm gonna have to be family friendly.
Go, like...
God.
You know what? I think I'm gonna use this green for the bags under your eyes.
Okay. Wow. Okay. My bag's this.
Like, that'll like fix the color, right?
Yeah.
Your face.
I'm looking up to help you. Do you want me to look right at you?
No. Okay. Okay, yeah. Right. Okay. Let's use more of this stuff.
Okay.
I really don't think you need 4.
You know, I really like coverage. You know? But, like, you do you. Like, I want you to beat my face how you would beat it. Yes, please, just sock me in the throat.
Okay. Alright, I think we did it. Wow. Wow.
What is next?
They do, like, powder or something to, like, keep it somewhere, and then you gotta do, like, the... I don't know if you have contour stuff. Contour and highlight, that's a thing.
Do I?
This says contour, so I'm assuming that's what that means.
Okay.
Okay. This looks like you use it frequently, so we're gonna say that it's usable. I guess we're just gonna go for it. It's gonna be fine. Let's see if I do this right. We need like one of these boys, and then you go like, wah, wah. Okay. So we're just gonna go for it. We're using Shade and Light Contour by Kat Von B.
Kat Von D?
Vaughn? That's a V?
Yeah. You don't know who Kat Von D is?
No.
Okay.
Okay, and we're using this middle thing right here because it looks like she uses that one with this kind of brush. Looks like a fan. And then we're gonna...
Do you want me to do that?
I'm assuming that's what you're supposed to do, so yeah. Yeah, let's do that. Cool. Oh, wait, you're supposed to do it, like, in, like, this area or something.
Okay. Yeah.
For, like, your nose, right?
You're just right in the middle of my nose. That's where you put that.
Right. Okay, I think we do something like
You're
Well,
kinda dirty.
we're gonna just... this line.
I believe in you. I really do.
That's good, because, okay, we can add more. Because if you just blend the line, it'll make it look like the line isn't there.
Okay. Alright. Okay. Sure.
You look very concerned. Cool. Yeah, we're gonna call that done.
Yay!
We haven't even gotten to the complicated part yet,
I know.
which is next. So,
I feel beautiful.
okay, where's my phone? This is gonna be a look. Do you have shiny stuff?
Like, highlighter?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's the one that you put over there. And then also this.
This one? Shiny! Okay. This is what we wanted. Oh, we just used that one. Oh my god, you're sparkly now!
Yay.
There we go. That's what I wanted.
Yay.
Okay. Okay. Wow, your nose is so shiny. Okay. We should probably take our food break.
Yay. Okay, we're gonna eat. We are back. We're back.
I realized while eating that you can completely see a line on the side of her face, so we're gonna just like blend that a little bit.
Really smooth.
They can only see this half, so it's fine. Alright, so we're gonna start with this eye look.
Yes. I'm excited for the eyes.
James Charles and Jeffree Star's things. It's gonna be a little crazy, okay? So just...
I'm so excited.
Alright, so we're starting with these bleeds, I think, which are Cola and Acapella. Alright.
Putting shimmer in the crease, ladies and gentlemen. Yes.
That was definitely the the purpose there. Yeah. I'm gonna blow on your face. Wow. That's there. Okay. Okay. That's a look. I guess that's what that's gonna look like.
Fun.
Okay, so next we're moving on to single.
Single.
Wow.
Me. Hit me up, cute boys. Fun story time. My ex-boyfriend's little brother got me this mug, and I love it very much, but she blocked me on everything.
Oh.
And so, if you're watching this, thank you for the mug. I still use it. I'm sorry that you hate me now. Thanks.
I'm scared.
Just trust yourself. Trust the process.
This goes like all the way to your eyebrows.
Oh. Alright. Oh, that really goes all the way to my eyebrows.
I look like I punched you.
You're going into that shadow, girl. Work. Like,
Should I
let's
not do
just
that?
look at this, like,
What do I...
fallout right now. Like, she's going in. Okay.
Do I not do that? I'm sorry.
No,
Am I ruining it?
no,
Okay.
you're not ruining it.
Okay.
It's just like, it's like a lot. Like, I'm not gonna say that. It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay.
Great. Wow.
Are we serving today or what? Did you just like... I feel beautiful. I think I'm gonna go out like this. We should go to Target after this and go just... Could you imagine I'm like walking down the makeup aisles like, hey! I'm gonna serve this look at work. I'm gonna recreate this makeup look on Saturday and come walk into work like...
Oh my god. I'm really trying.
I can tell.
I don't know if you can, but like they can't, but I think I see the problem with getting so much. Like
Yeah.
it starts dripping onto your... We're doing this. Okay.
Oh, we're doing a little wing today.
Yeah.
I feel it.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, winging it out.
You know, it still looks like I punched you, but I can like see it starting to like be not horrible.
A lot of the times makeup looks look horrible in the beginning and then they end up being like
Okay.
at the end. So just believe in yourself.
Cool.
Yeah, or you can put it on my whole eye.
I'm concerned about the like in-between part. I feel like he got like a Q-tip and like dipped it in like the stuff that gets rid of makeup and was like,
oh.
But I don't know.
Oh, so it's a cut crease.
I don't know.
Is it like kind of nude in the middle?
Yeah.
It's a cut crease halo eye. So
I guess.
There is something here that you can use for that. Okay. I won't tell you what, but it is somewhere in the room.
Okay.
And I may or may not be looking directly at it.
So
show the camera.
I'm using Tarte. Okay. This is a brand that I have.
Ooh.
Which means it's either like decent or like horrible. I can't remember. Because I have like a couple decent things and then I have like all the drugstore stuff.
I mean, it looks used. So
it looks used.
It must be decent.
It must be good. It must be good. That's huge. Oh my god. Okay.
That's what she said.
Well, okay. Okay.
Maybe it's not a halo eye.
Does it feel like what you thought it was?
No.
No.
Because a halo eye is when it's just like blocked out right here.
Oh.
And then it goes up into like a little like...
Oh, well then, this is gonna look interesting.
So it's a cut crease.
Okay.
Are you sure he didn't use like eyeliner for these?
No.
Okay. I'm not gonna open it because it's wet.
Okay.
So it'll ruin your work, but...
Okay. Well, let me try to figure out how to... Yeah, just keep it closed. Let's see. Okay.
I'm scared. Are you using powder?
Yeah. It's okay. I got this. Okay.
Oh god.
Oh!
Yeah. I thought you were gonna do that. I was like, Sarah, just... Okay. I'm just gonna open it because I feel like it's already like ruined.
Okay. Well, that's a luck. I'm gonna move on to the other eye and see if I can get that one right.
Okay.
Okay.
Yay. Okay, good.
I'm not completely hating it.
Well, this is my better eye anyway. Like, if you do makeup, you know that you have like an eye that always like turns out better than the other one. This eye always turns out perfect. This eye is always like fucked. What is happening?
Like, with my right hand, it's easier to like do that.
Okay.
So I'm trying to figure out how I.
Do you want me to close or open?
We can try open. I hope I'm in frame. I feel like I'm not.
Let's check. Hi, sisters! Is Chris subscribed to my YouTube channel? Christo.
Oh, I don't know. I'll make him watch this though.
Christo. Bitch. I'm gonna tweet this to him and be like, subscribe, bitch.
He follows your Twitter.
I know. He's a huge fan of mine.
Yeah. Once again, it looks better than that one.
Yeah.
Because that's just garbage. But, Okay, we're just gonna try this brush. We're trying all the brushes until one of them works.
Do a smudger brush.
Wow. Okay. The smudger.
It works.
I don't completely hate it.
Yay.
Just like mostly. For some reason it reminds me of like Coca-Cola.
Oh, interesting.
Like the stripes? I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, okay. Next. Okay, he does some like sparkles. This boy again.
Yay!
So much sparkle.
Our favorite.
I don't even want to touch that eye.
Yes, give me that inner corner highlight. Are you gonna do my eyebrows? I'm just gonna leave them.
Yeah! I don't know how. We're gonna try. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. I feel like eyebrows come before.
Yeah, but I mean, you know, you could do it however you want to do it.
I can't remember if the line comes before the lash, you know? So we're gonna do the line first.
Okay, yeah, good.
Liquid eyeliner, waterproof. Do you have a not waterproof one?
Well, that one comes off easy.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Should I, you know what, we're gonna try to fix up that eye. Oh, whoa.
Whoa.
What just happened? I don't even know how to start fixing that eye.
I mean, you know, maybe just one eye will be like the ugly cousin. It's fine.
Okay, well that's gonna be the trial for this, so that other eye is like better, so close your eye.
Okay.
Wow, that's like so much easier when it's not on yourself.
Yeah.
Like,
Did you watch my makeup tutorial video?
Watched a little bit
Did
of
you
it.
get to the eyeliner part?
No.
That would have taught you how to do this.
Oh. Wow. Fake fan.
Fake fan, but okay.
Okay.
If you want to see how I do my winged eyeliner, go ahead and check out my other video.
Press the eye in the corner.
I don't know how to do that. Can you teach me how to do
Yeah,
that? Okay.
I'll
Okay.
Better than sex. Mascara, that's the word for the...
Yes. I hate this. Oh god, I'm gonna blink. Oh god.
Okay. You know, it's a look. It's not
a
the look. But
I'm so excited to look at it.
it's there. Okay, let's do her brows. So I'm pretty sure you just kind of like... Just gonna go for it.
Brows are on. Now what?
So we're just gonna use, I think, the Jeffree one.
What shade is that? It's on the bottom.
Oh. Rose Madder.
Oh. She's pink.
I just... I like this color. Wow! You're ready for prom.
For prom. This is
Um,
my senior prom look.
Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna set it, because I think that's what people do
Yay.
with this. So
Using
close your eyes.
all-nighter. Cool. That's a lot, but okay.
Okay.
So, this is the final look. We should do like one of those like cheesy makeup montages. Like I'll add like the little like techno music and you can like move the camera around my face and make it look like... Okay. Fuck. This eye is not bad.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
you have potential with this one, but this one... Don't know what happened there. I look like I'm in pain. Like, I'm like... You know what I look like? I look like the meme of the little girl with the purple eyeshadow as she's like looking down at the camera. This is the new me. Alright, well, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Sarah's channel with her friend Savannah. They do like travel videos and stuff. Go watch them. Thanks. So, yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.